Hello everyone, welcome to all in this video lecture series of Database Management System. I am Deepak Aneja, Assistant Professor, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In this video, we will cover the frequently asked question in the AKTU exam as well as in GATE exam or competitive exam from the unit number 3, Database Design and Normalization. So these are the frequently asked question. First, RAT axiom. These are also called Armstrong axiom. RAT full form is reflexivity, augmentation, and transitivity. Now, next is trivial and non-trivial functional dependency, anomalies associated with database, discuss the purpose of normalization, and explain first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, BCNF, 4NF, we can call it MVD, multi-valued dependency, and joint dependency 5NF with the suitable example. These are some theoretical questions that are asked in AKTU exam. These are some numerical questions on decomposition, minimal cover, or decomposition is lossless or lossy decomposition. And this is partial functional dependency and equivalence, functional dependency equivalence. We have already studied these questions with example in the previous video. Thanks for watching this video.